The board chairman, the CEO and the staffs of Housing Authority, members of media, our partners, that is the consultants, contractors, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. It is with great pleasure to be here this afternoon for this very important occasion to officially break ground for the Davuilevu housing project. Today, we embark on another major project to expand access to affordable housing for the Fijians. I have just come back from a workshop where we had the architects, engineers, and consultants. And throughout this morning, we were discussing about the compliance. There are a lot of changes made to Town Planning Act, which is in a draft form. And before it comes to its effect next year, we thought that we should have a stakeholders meeting. And I can tell you something, that after today's meeting, we have come to a resolution where we will reduce the number of days that takes place in the processing time. That is in terms of building application and land subdivision. This time, for the people of Central Division, especially for Davuilevu area, as we break ground for the development of residential lots here. And as mentioned by the acting chairman, that the total cost for this development is around $32 million. It is another milestone for our government in efforts to provide reasonable housing to low and middle income earning families. But I was really disturbed this morning when a group of people came to me and said that there are some politicians who went to their squatter areas with some landowners, giving them all wrong information on squatter developments within the Nasori-Suva corridor. And in that particular area, there is about 360 houses. What we see today, the partnership between government and Methodist Church of Fiji should be an example. And I must warn those politicians to please don't mislead our landowners. Because we have built this relationship some 4 or 5 years ago. So do not disturb this arrangement. Because in this arrangement, everybody will benefit. The landowners, the tenant, the landlord, and country as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, this groundbreaking ceremony signifies the development of 754 lots. The project will be carried out in stages, and I am pleased to inform that out of the 754 lots, 301 residential lots will be completed by August next year, with remaining lots to be completed by September 2019. We have kept our promise. Those who are residing in this area will recall that when Honorable Prime Minister was here for the opening ceremony of the sports facilities, he asked Housing Authority, when are you going to do this project? And we said, and we made this announcement, that we will start this project come December. And there we are. Can we put our hands together and thank Housing Authority for the job well done? The development will have all basic infrastructure like sewerage, water, electricity, roads, driveways, footpaths, kerb and channel, fully serviced lots. We believe that each individual, no matter which background he or she belongs to, deserves a right to a better housing, and Fiji First Government is ensuring that this objective is met. I officiated the groundbreaking ceremony in Tawakumbu, as stated by the chairman, board chairman, in Lotoka a fortnight ago, where upon completion 534 residential lots will be available for purchase. I was extremely overwhelmed for the gratitude shown by the residents of Tawakumbu. They showed appreciation towards the efforts of the government, and they had the joy of owning a home. And they have been living there for the last 30, 40 years. There was no land security. They could not improve on their housing. Government has provided this $10,000 grant. They could not access it because they didn't have a proper lease. But now they will be able to access the $10,000 grant to upgrade their houses. And that's what I'm saying, that in this sort of developments, everybody benefits. There is no losers in this. Everyone benefits. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, but in order for people to turn their dream of owning a home into a reality, Housing Authority has introduced its new home loan facilities. I know all of you present here today will be happy to know that Housing Authority's interest rates are lowest in the market for low-income group. And let me elaborate on this. The new rates are 3.95% per annum interest rate fixed for 1 year, 4.20% fixed for 4 years, variable rates of 6.99% thereafter. But as I've said, the incentives that is in place, if you walk out rightly, you don't even have to cross that 4 years. You will benefit that privilege within that 5 years. And this package includes construction of houses, purchase of houses, and refinancing of loans from other lenders. All in all, I must say that our government has empowered Housing Authority to be a one-stop shop with all the housing solutions. Housing Authority is the only financial institution that will sell you a lot, help you finance, and assist you to build it if you want. Once again, let me assure you all that Fiji First Government is supporting the Housing Authority to meet the housing demands, and we will continue working towards our vision of providing affordable homes to the low and middle income families. At this juncture, I wish the best of luck to the consultants, contractors, and all those who are involved in this project. I also wish you and your families a blessed Christmas and a happy New Year. Vinaka, thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Another big hand, please, to the Honorable Minister.